Effect of dielectric on capacitance. In parallel plate capacitor, we have two large plates, each of area A, separated by two plates by distance D. Charge on plate plus minus Q. Corresponding surface charge density is plus minus sigma, where sigma equal to Q upon A. When there is vacuum between two plates of a parallel plate capacitor, then electric field between two plates E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, or sigma equal to Q upon A, Q upon sigma epsilon naught upon A. The potential difference between two plates V naught equal to E naught into D, V naught equal to QD epsilon naught A. The capacitance C naught, in this case C naught equal to Q upon V naught, C naught equal to Q. We just substitute the value of V naught as QD into epsilon naught, QQ cancel, C naught equal to epsilon naught A upon D. So this is the condition when the space between two plates is what? Vacuum. But now, what happens when this space between two plates is filled with the dielectric substance? It is very important. If the space between two plates is fully filled with dielectric substance of dielectric constant K, due to the polarization, surface charge densities induced on two edges of dielectric are minus sigma p and plus sigma p respectively on plate 1 on side plate 1 and plate 2. So effective surface charge density on two plates is plus minus sigma p. So now electric field between two plates E equal to sigma p upon epsilon naught. Potential difference across the plates is V equal to E into D. V equal to E is what? Sigma p upon epsilon naught into D. For linear dielectric, sigma p is directly proportional to E naught, original electric field, and this original electric field is directly proportional to sigma. So thus sigma minus sigma p is directly proportional to E, and E is proportional to sigma. So sigma minus sigma p proportional to sigma. So we can write sigma minus sigma p equal to sigma upon K, where K is a constant and non-edge dielectric constant K. Clearly K is greater than 1, so V equal to sigma upon epsilon naught K into D, or V equal to Q epsilon naught A K A upon D. We just substitute the value of sigma as Q upon A. The capacitance C with the dielectric between the plates is C equal to Q upon V, C equal to Q upon QD K epsilon naught A, Q cancel, C equal to K epsilon naught A upon D, where epsilon naught A upon D is what? C naught. So C equal to K C naught, as C naught equal to epsilon naught A upon D. This is the capacitance when space between two plates is what? Vacuum. So the product K epsilon naught is, epsilon is called the permittivity of the dielectric medium. C equal to epsilon A upon D. This epsilon is coming from in place of K epsilon naught. We also get K epsilon naught equal to epsilon, or K equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught from relation C equal to K C naught, K equal to C upon C naught. Epsilon is greater than epsilon naught, C is greater than C naught, as K is greater than 1. When the dielectric is inserted fully between the plates of a capacitor, then capacitance increases K times of the capacitance when vacuum remains between the two plates. So we reach to conclusion that by using dielectric between two plates, we can increase the capacitance of the conductor. Important case: capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when a dielectric slab of thickness T inserted between two plates of parallel plate capacitor. When a dielectric slab of thickness T which is less than distance d. Distance d is distance between two plates. Electric field in vacuum is what? E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. We just substitute the value of sigma equal to q upon epsilon naught a. Electric field in dielectric is what? Ek equal to what? Sigma upon k epsilon naught a. We just substitute the value of sigma as a qa. So q k epsilon naught a. E0 exists in d minus t distance and Ek exists in t distance, because in t distance dielectric substances exist and in d minus t vacuum exists. Total effective potential difference between two plates V equal to V naught plus Vk. V naught is potential difference in vacuum and Vk is potential difference in dielectric medium. So V equal to E naught into d minus t plus Ek into t. We just substitute the value of E naught and Ek from this two relations. So V equal to q upon epsilon naught a d minus t plus q k epsilon naught a into t. V equal to, we take common as a q upon epsilon naught a d minus t plus t upon k. The capacitance of the capacitor on inserting dielectric slab of thickness t is C equal to q upon V. C equal to q. We just substitute the value of V equal to q d minus t plus t upon k upon epsilon naught a. Q cancel. So epsilon naught a upon d minus t plus t upon k. This is the expression for the capacitance when a t thickness dielectric slab is inserted between the two plates of a parallel plate capacitor. If the thickness of dielectric slab is T equal to D, then what happen? Means full space between two plates is filled with the dielectric substance. Then C equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus D upon K. So what we get? C equal to K epsilon naught A upon D. So C equal to K C naught, which we get the earlier result. Now second special case, in place of dielectric slab, we now insert the conducting slab of thickness T inserted. Electric field in vacuum E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon q upon epsilon naught a. But electric field in conducting slab inside the slab is what? 0. So potential difference between two plates V equal to E naught into d minus t plus E into t. So V equal to q upon epsilon naught a d minus t, but electric field inside the conducting slab is what? 0 into t. So V equal to q d minus t upon epsilon naught a. Capacitance of the capacitor C equal to q upon V. We substitute the value of V as C equal to q upon q d minus t into epsilon naught a. Q cancel. C equal to epsilon naught a upon d minus t. The capacitance is increases. Effect of dielectric on various parameter. There are two conditions: when battery is kept disconnected from the capacitor and when battery remains connected across the capacitor. Means what? When a capacitor is given and we remove the battery and then we insert the dielectric slab. In other condition, battery is connected and we insert the dielectric slab. In first case, charge remain as Q0. Charge will not change. But in second case, when battery remain connected, the charge on capacitor plate increase to K times. Electric field in first case is reduced by K factor, but electric field remain unchanged when battery connected. Potential difference also decrease. V equal to V naught upon K, but potential difference remain unchanged when battery is connected. When battery is disconnected, capacitance increases K times. Battery is connected, then also capacitance which increases by K times. Now energy stored decreases by a factor of K. U equal to U naught upon K, and energy stored in increases K times when battery remain connected across the capacitor. U equal to K u naught. Thank you.